Yeah, that's a good point. So we might say source equals, or we might say yeah, I think this makes sense. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, that kind of looks good. I'm okay with that. I'm still maintaining over 25 frames a second. We really couldn't push it much higher than that though. Like, we're pretty much at the limit there. The question is, I've only been going for an hour. Yeah, okay. I was gonna say the question is, am I gonna actually make this change now? I think the answer is yes. So we're gonna switch the codec over. Then what? Will it be usable? It might be usable after today. I'll have to experiment with that. That's exciting. I can move on to do something else and sort of just come back to this every now and then. Yeah, okay. Well, let's see. Let's go to all this. I'm gonna do the same thing. Is it vb.depth? Where does depth come from? Oh, I just used 4. Fantastic. But this is just the source offset. No, this is the dest offset. This is the source offset. And the source offset is just j minus min y times max x minus min x times 4. Something like that. Okay. Why is there a mem copy here? It's a mem set. Still not happy about it, but whatever. Yeah, we don't need to do any of that. Okay. I think this is fine, mainly because we're not rate limiting the FPS. The problem is that we're still blending though. And really the frame time should be here. Like, we shouldn't be doing this. If this is true, right? No, because this is a property of the output format. It's not a property of the input. The input we can do as fast as possible, and outputs, I say outputs as if we can support rendering the two outputs. Maybe one day. And this, yeah, this is interesting. So I think, get rid of that. I think we're gonna do something really dumb here. I think we're just gonna go if count plus plus. I don't know. I feel like if this updates once a second, that's kind of fine. But we can do it once every like 16 frames. We could do it once every 32. We'll go 16. So I guess we kind of want to do the opposite of that. We want to go if that, right? Well, okay, strictly this doesn't update that often though, that's the thing. It just attempts to update that often. So that should be fine. Okay, what else do I need to delete? Give me more code to delete. Yeah, I did some nonsense here. Here, get rid of all this. Get rid of that. Yeah. Wait, what are you complaining about? Unused variable. I and J are not used? I mean, J is. That's a good point. That hurts me to use J but not I. But I think it's the right choice. Okay. And you're complaining about both of them being unused? That is reasonable. Have a nice day. Yes. Agreed. By agreed, I mean in principle. Okay. Okay. This is not updating at all. Okay. Yeah, that's a really good point. I actually need to do the exit case. I need to handle that. I don't think this has told me anything. And I don't really intend to really investigate this. I'm pretty sure this is just what happens. There's a race condition on exit that I need to solve. That's probably fairly important to get right, because I think I lose the entire recording otherwise. Okay, there it is. Am I going to get an update? I don't think so. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I need to fix it, obviously. It's not fine. Ugh. Okay, apparently it's not fine at all. What is happening here? Right, because this skips updating, which is fair. So we and the lower bits of count. And only when they're all 0? I feel like I'm missing something here. That seems correct. To do don't hard code this. I mean, we don't use it at all. Let's also clean up widgets a little. To do this should have been done. Maybe convert in blend window. Yeah, maybe. This can be up here. That can disappear. That can be down there, and this can be im dot width times im dot height times 4. And this can be to do handle depth correctly. And this can be im dot height. And this can be im dot width. And this can be im dot width. Yeah, there we go.